At EvCC, I was the lead engineer for the engineering club there. We worked on the 24-volt system for the electric car. I became vice president of the engineering club, basically built up a nice resume. From then I went on to UW to become a mechanical engineer, and as of now I am a senior looking to graduate, and I'm actually applied for my master's degree. I chose EvCC because it was just the easiest way for me to actually succeed. I came from a small town in Washington. GPA was decent enough to go to UW, but at the time I knew that I couldn't afford it because I was on my own. So I found the next best thing, which is community college. So then I went and talked to an advisor at Everett, and he said their program was one of the best in Washington to transfer to university, which I loved. I am in the Formula SAE team, which you can see behind me. We build race cars. It's beautiful. It's awesome. I now also have a startup company, which I can't forget, of course, JikoPower. So JikoPower is a startup. Started at UW with 2 other students. It was just a coincidence, honestly. We all kind of just came together and we realized these things right here, little thermoelectric generator. We realized that they're used, but they're not used to their full potential. These convert heat into energy, into electricity. Basically, if you have a hot side and a cold side on these, the bigger the change in temperature, the more voltage and amperage you'll get. So with that, you can literally just put this right in between and you'll actually see electricity coming out of it. It's amazing. There's some companies that take advantage of this and they have similar products, but they're made for first world, like for people that want to go camping and don't want their cell phone to die. Our company is, that I know of, the only company that takes this advantage to go to the third world. People that don't have electricity at all, we're basically bringing that to them. I highly recommend Everett Community College. People might think they're missing the college experience. They don't go to a university. In my mind, that is outweighed by the actual amount of life you can have. If you go to a community college, you can afford to go to school, you can come out debt-free. Most of the kids here at UW that went 4 years in a row, they have debt. And I feel sorry for them. I don't, and I love it.